Hello and welcome. In this video, we will try to learn how to use Forge application and create our token on Solana chain. Before starting, we will try to understand the basics of the token programs in Solana chain. Let's start. So, first of all, before everything, there are two programs for tokens on Solana chain. One of them is the standard token, and the other one is the Token 2022 program. The 2022 program is the new and the latest standard. Solana told that they will continue building on top of it, but still the standard token is valid and being used by many people. So the standard token was created before 2022, and if you create a token with the standard token program, SPL program, you need to pay some fees while creating the token and then getting open market ID to list the token on the decentralized exchanges on Solana. But with the new standard, 2022 standard, you can create concentrated pools and your token creation fee will be the same as 0.5, but starting the pool fee is around 0.5 this time. So the total fee for creating a token and creating a pool on a decentralized exchange was 3 Solana for the previous token standard, and in the new standard it is around 1 Solana. But these numbers is not included with the liquidity itself. These are only for creating the token and opening the market itself. No liquidity yet. So this Forge application is creating a token with the Token 2022 program. When you create a token, you need to pay around 0.5 Solana as for creation, and then to create the concentrated pool, you need to pay another 0.5, and the total cost will be 1 Solana. You can use other Solana token creation tools, and there are many alive in the online. You can check them, but please be sure if the tool you are using to create a token is using the standard token or the Token 2022 program. Please be sure about that so you will not do mistakes, because after creating your token, if you want to list your token on Radium, you need to use the version 2 or the version 3. If your token standard is the new one, you can use the new version of the Radium easily, but if you created your token with the previous one, the standard token program, you may have some issues while creating your pool on Radium version 3. Please try to make your research about that, because I did not try to list a standard token on the new version of Radium. If you have created a standard token before 2022 program, and if you want to list it on Radium or on another decentralized exchange on Solana, you need to come to this page. You need to click the liquidity, and then you need to click create pool, as you can see in here. When you come to this page, as you can see, it is asking for an open book market ID, which is located in here. You need to create this one. So there is a detailed guide in here. If you click here, you will learn how to create your market ID. There are many details about this thing which is not included in the scope of this video. Again, if you create a standard token and if you want to make an open market ID to list your token, you need to read this page very carefully. After reading this page and understanding about the open market ID, you can go to Google, you can write Solana create open book market ID, and you can choose some of the platforms. Please be careful which one you are using, and then you can create your open book market ID. it needs some details. You need to be very careful about. To learn these details, you need to read this page very carefully. So, and that was for version 2, and that was for the previous standard token. But as I have already mentioned, Forge is creating a token with the new standard. So we do not need to create an open market ID. So we will use the concentrated pool, which is easier and with lower fees. So let's turn back to Forge now. I have already turned off the version 2 of Radium. Let's try to create our token and let's see how we can list it on Radium. To create the token, as you can see, we need our Phantom wallet. If you have a Phantom wallet on Solana, and if you know how to use it, no problem. But if you do not know, I will give a very quick information in this video. This link is forwarding to the official webpage of the Phantom wallet. And when you come to this page, let me install it on my Edge. When you come to this page, you need to click download for Edge or download for Chrome. If you're on Chrome, you can click this get link and then you can click this add extension and it will add the extension on your browser. You need to wait a bit and then this page will come. You need to create a new wallet. You can write your password in here. This password is to protect only the computer you're using. It is not the secret key or seed key of the wallet account. This is only for your computer. When you click continue, now this password is your wallet's password. You need to keep this very carefully and you should not show this to anyone other than you. So you can take a screenshot. It's not allowing to take a copy, and then you can click I saved my secret recovery phrase and then continue and you're all done. And then get started. Your extension is coming here. You can click this and you can open your Phantom wallet in here. So you need to put some Solana into this wallet to create your token with using this tool. So to put some Solana to this wallet, you can copy the wallet address in here. As you can see, the Solana one, you can copy it. You can go to a centralized exchange and then you can withdraw your Solana. You can go to your wallet, you can choose Solana, you can click withdraw, and then it's going to ask you a address. You can paste your address and you can withdraw your Solana tokens. And then your Phantom wallet is ready. You have transferred some Solana into your wallet from a centralized exchange, and now you have your Solana. To create the token, this tool requires 0.5 Solana, but we advise you to have at least 0.6 Solana in your wallet before creating the token, because Solana chain sometimes having some issues and it requires a bit more Solana inside of the wallet before making the transactions. So we have our Solana. We are ready to create our token. We have already installed Phantom wallet. We will choose our name. For the name, a name between 5 and 20 letters is quite good. We can write Kilopi. Then we will choose our symbol. We can choose a symbol with 3 or 5 letters or 4 letters. You can choose shorter or longer, but we do not advise. You can write LOP for Kilopi. Then you need to put an URL which contains the metadata for your token. But before going to this is a bit tricky. Let's fill the others. For the total supply, a number between 100k and 100 billion is good. So you can write 1 billion. Then the decimals. For the decimals, you can choose a number between 2 and 9 for Solana, and around a number with 6 is good. So I'm writing 6, but you can choose another number according to your choice. So there are two lines in here. They are telling us this tool automatically revokes the freeze authority. This tool automatically revokes the mint authority. So when you create a token with this tool with Forge, you cannot increase the total supply later because there is no mint authority, and you cannot freeze the other people's wallet to use their token. So freeze authority and mint authority automatically getting reworked in this application. When they are getting automatically reworked, you can easily list your token on the decentralized exchanges, and you can get high points in the DeFi platforms. So no worries on this. This is a valid move, good step. So now we need to write the URL for our token URI. To handle this, we can click here. We can see an article which is explaining how to do this. You can read and learn in detail, but I will let you know in this video as well. We need to put an URL like this one to that place. This is an HTTP address. As you can see, this HTTP address is forwarding us directly to a JSON file which contains the basic information about our token. So this JSON file on my computer as for now. As you can see, we have some parentheses and we have some basic information about the token. So the basic version of this file consists of name, symbol, image, and description. You should put these four information very carefully. This is the basic version. And if you want to put more information, you are free. These are optional, but the first four are must. So to put an image, this image is the logo of our token. To put an image, we need another URL address as well. So we need two URL address. One is for the image and the other one is for the JSON file of our project's token. So let's create them. To create the image file, we will use in this video arveawe. To use arveawe, we will use Akord. As you can see in here, Akord, you can come to this page, you can sign up. It is free. You can sign up with your email address. Then you can log in. When you log in, please click here, you go to account, and please save your account with increasing the security by enabling the two-factor authentication. Then you need to come to this vaults page. You need to create a new vault. When you create a new vault, please choose the permanent storage. You need to keep it permanent. Then click next and then click public. We need to click public since the Solana blockchain needs to reach this file. Then we need to click next. We can write a name. We can write a description and we can put some text if we prefer, and then click create vault. When you come to this page, first you need to upload your logo. You need to choose the logo from your computer. You need to upload it. While it is uploading, you will see a point on top of the name of the file in here. In here, as you can see, a point in orange. The color can change to yellow, it doesn't matter. While this point is in here, you need to wait. It will take around 15 or 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, there will be no point in here. It means all the transactions have been successfully finalized on Akord and Ardrive itself. Then you can go to these 3 points, you can click file info, and you will see the link in here. When you take this link from here, you can put that link in here as the image link. But before putting, please confirm that link is having your logo. Right now, as you can see, the transaction has not been finalized yet, so I cannot use that link. So I have another vault in here, as you can see, for Kilopi. As you can see, the logo is already uploaded. I can click this 3 point, I can click the file info, I can take the link from here. As you can see, it is forwarding directly to the logo itself. And then I can put that link in here. And then I will fill all the other information, name, symbol, description, website, Twitter, etc. Now I'm ready to upload the JSON file. Again, I need to go to Akord, the previous vault, Coco. I need to come to here, and then I need to click upload file again, and I will choose this time my JSON file, Kilopi JSON, and I will upload this one. Then after waiting for the point to be gone, then I will be able to get the link from that file as well. I need to click 3 points, I need to click file info, and I will be able to get the link from here. And then now I have my JSON file link, and inside of the JSON file the image link is already placed, and I have my URI URL now. So I will put that URL in here. I will get from here and I will put it in here. Now I am ready to create my token. So let's check if I have already created a token. Okay, it is 0. Now I will click create token. Then I will click confirm. Then you will see progress has been started. Step 4, step 5, step 6, and then step 7/7 success. Token has been created successfully. Please check your wallet 30 seconds later. So I will click my wallet. I will wait a bit. As you can see, 1 billion LOP tokens with the name of Kilopi is here now. So I can list this token now on Radium. Before going to that point, I need to mention about an important thing on Solana chain. While creating a token on this page, the application is trying to do its best to create a token safe. But Solana chain sometimes having some problem, so this application is trying to do everything it can, but if the Solana chain having extremely hard problems, your transactions may fail. At that point, you will face a loss of your SOL tokens which you have already paid to make the transaction as 0.5. So we have created a fail-safe system on this page. Now I will show it to you. So you get your URL, you put it in here, you write Kilopi, LOP, another number in here, and then decimals. You click create token, and then at this page, as you can see, once the progress started, this page is giving an information to you, and it is providing a private key for you. So if there is a problem on Solana chain, and if your transaction fails, then you can use this private key to put to your Phantom wallet, and if this application can save some fees, you will be able to find those fees in your wallet with this private key. So let's check how to do it. Let's consider we have an error. So hopefully we will have an error. Yes, because I have created a token and I did not refresh the page. I tried to create the token again and again, and then now we have an error. And when we have an error, as you can see, the private key is located in here, but we did not pay the funds yet in this error. So I'm only showing how to use it. You get the private key and then click this here and then click plus, then import private key, put your private key in here, and if it says incorrect format, please delete the last 2 characters, then write a name, it doesn't matter, import, and you will be able to find your Solana tokens in here, as you can see. Yeah. So now we have finalized our token creation, and our token is located in our, yeah, in here. The other one already has created as well. So this is the 1 billion in here. We can get the token address by clicking here and then clicking view. We will be able to go to solscan.io, and on this page in here, as you can see, SPL token address. When you click here, you will be able to see your token logo, Kilopi, and metadata is located in here. As you can see, all the metadata is coming to here, and your token address is located in here. You can click this. We will need it while creating the liquidity on Radium. So now we go to the Radium, we connect our wallet, Phantom wallet, then we go to the liquidity page, we click the create, we use the suggested one, concentrated liquidity, we click continue, we will choose 2 tokens for our pairs, base token will be ours, we will paste our new created address, token address. When you insert your address in here, there will be a pop-up which is asking for your token name and symbol. You need to write exactly same, Kilopi and LOP. So it is not showing up since I am already in testnet. When you are on mainnet, it will ask your token name and symbol. You will write, then you will click your token. For example, you click your token in here. Your token will be the base token, and for the quote token, let's consider we are choosing Solana. Then we will choose 1% or other ones as for the liquidity provider fee. So we cannot create this pool since it's already created. Let's try another one. As this example, I will, yeah, get this address. This is JitoSol. Yeah, we can create JitoSol with Sol, and we will choose our fee, and then we will click continue. And on this page, you need to write the starting price of your token. If you click the Sol, it will be easier. Just click the Sol, then just consider how many of your new tokens can be purchased with 1 Solana. Example, you want to start your token's price with $1. So it means that with 1 Solana, people can buy 170 of your tokens. So you need to put here, after clicking this Sol, you need to put here 170. And then if you're a professional, please choose a price range according to yourself with clicking the custom, but I highly do not advise this. If you do not know what is this very detailed, use the standard one. It is safe to use the full range. Just click full range, and then for the start time you can choose a custom time, and I do not advise this one as well. Please use the start now. Please create your liquidity whenever you want to start. So we have already entered our token, quote token and base token, and price information. Now click continue. Then please write a number in here that you would like to create your liquidity in the beginning. So you want to put 3 Solana, and then it will ask you for JitoSol, your token, as 500, around 500 according to your price. So 3 Solana plus your token. When you click the confirm, you will be able to create your liquidity. But at this point, please try to be very careful. You need to have at least 3.6 Solana in your wallet to create this liquidity. If you have less than 3.6, you will be still able to click confirm, but the transaction will fail, sadly. So you need to be very careful at this point. The platform itself is getting around 0.45 fee plus the liquidity starting fee 0.5, and plus to protect Solana transaction we need to have at least 0.1. again it is coming to the 0.6. Then you need 3 Solana to create your own liquidity plus 3. It is coming to a number around 3.6. At least you need to have 3.6. So you have your 3.6 Solana in your wallet, and then you click confirm, and you have created your liquidity pool. After you create your liquidity pool, you can see it by clicking liquidity in here. You can write your new token name in here, or you can paste your address, or you can go directly to the swap. You can choose your token by pasting the address. You can find your token and you can start to swap, and you can start to give the link for the others. So please do not forget, nothing is financial advice in this video. Hopefully you will be able to create your tokens and you will bring value to them. Have a good journey. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.